Hey, it's your boy Brendo coming at you with another tutorial. Today we're learning At the Altar by Elevation Rhythm, Tiffany Hudson, and Abby Gamboa. Alright, so while watching this video, if you think of another song you may want to learn, put it in the comment section. I may actually pick your video to do my next tutorial on. It's worth a shot. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So this song is in the key of D major. D major scale. Now let's talk about the number system. The number system is where we apply a number to every chord within this major scale. So our one chord is going to start off with, of course, a D major. Here's our two chord, which is an E minor 7. Our three chord is going to be a D in the right hand and a G flat in the left. This is our three chord. I can also play it like this. Here's our four chord, which is a G major chord. 5 is an A major. 6 is going to be a B minor 7. 7 is going to be a A major in the right hand and a D flat in the left. And then back to our 1 again. So if I put it all together, this will be all the chords within this major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We'll only be using a handful of these chords. We will not be using all of them for this song. All right, so let's get started. The song starts off with an introduction, just 3 chords. It's gonna start off on the 1 chord, and then the 3 chord, and then the 4 chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the introduction. Now moving on to the verse. So the verse goes, I'm removing all of the things that would move me further from you. A thank you could not be enough. It's lost what you done to save me from. So let's talk about these chords. I'm removing, this is a 3 chord. Essentially it's a 1 over 3, right? The 1 is in our right hand, and then we add this to our left hand. I'm removing all of the things that would move me. Alright, so this is my 4 chord. As you can see, I'm not playing a regular G major chord. I'm actually doing a G sus2. This is where you have your own independence, and you can do a regular G chord, or you can do an add 9, or a regular sus2. Me personally, I prefer sus2s over regular major chords, right? So back to that verse again. I'm removing all of the things that would move me further from you. 1, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 3, 4. I'm running, stumbling, I know, but I'm coming to give you this offering. My worship will never withhold. Broken, but you call it beautiful. All right, I think we're ready to move on. So now we're at the chorus, right? We talked about the introduction, 1, 3, 4 for those progressions. And then the verse starts off with a 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, chorus. All right. So essentially what I'm doing is 1 chord, da, 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 4, da, 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 da. There's no ace at the altar. Okay, so you have options. You can take the route of just doing the chords, or you can add the right hand movements, right? And what I'm doing is I have my thumb staying on this A, and then my middle finger is hitting the D, D flat, D, E, G flat. 4 in the left hand, same thing for right. 1 again. Watch this. That last one, the movement is and then from there we have our interlude, which is that progression we started off with for the introduction. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Verse, that's on the 3. Da 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 4. Da 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 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 3, 4. So this is the end of that second verse, because he took a sinner like me. 1, 3, 4. Wash me with grace and then set me free. And now we're going back into the chorus again. Now when we head back to this chorus, instead of doing the right hand like this, I'm actually going to use octaves in my right hand. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the song gets bigger at this point, right? We build into this chorus, the song gets bigger, so I want my movements to reflect that as well. Oh. All right. And then after doing that chorus a few times, we head into an interlude, right? That interlude, the progression is actually still the same. It's just broken down. Bridge. Alright, so I kind of messed up there, but I'll show you again. The 1 chord, essentially, this is the bridge, the altar. Essentially 1/3. We know this chord already. 4. Now, if you want to do those movements in the right hand, right? What does that look like? So I'm starting off on this G flat note, hitting A twice, B, A, G flat. Alright, so same thing. Now I'm going to the A to the D in my right hand and the G flat in my left. Oops. So I'll do it one more time, but slow. Right, and then the song builds. Here's our 2 chord instead of going to 4. Right, we talked about how we have an E minor 7 chord. You know me, I like to play my sus2s, right? So this is later on in the bridge. 2, and then the 3. eventually the song breaks down again. And then they go back into that bridge one more time. There's a part in that bridge when instead of hitting a 1, they're actually doing a 1/5. And then the 2, 3, and then 4, right? And I'm sure that when you go back and listen to the song, you'll be able to piece that together, find out when they're doing the 1/5. This is later on in the song when it sounds more like a spontaneous moment rather than like the regular structure of the song. So that's the end of this tutorial. Once you're done learning this song, check out some of my other tutorials. And also if you have any suggestions for any tutorials, put it in the comment section. I'll be looking out for them. And if I like your suggestion, I'll definitely make a video and even shout you out. All right, I'm out. Love y'all. See you soon.